Hello everyone, everything I'm going to tell you has been validated by the mechanics at the shop where I'm at, so don't worry, we're almost there with the solution. If you're driving your Toyota and suddenly see the message PCS malfunction or pre-collision system malfunction, the first thought is usually, oh no, something expensive in the safety system broke. Take a deep breath, relax. In most cases, your car isn't dead and it's not trying to fail on purpose. This message simply means that the front safety system, the one that helps you brake or avoid collisions, detected that something isn't working as it should, so it decided to shut down as a precaution. Basically, your Toyota is saying, better safe than sorry. Now, the most common cause is actually pretty simple: blocked or dirty sensors. Yes, mud, dust, water, insects, snow, or even a thin layer of grime on the front radar or camera can confuse the system. And even if you look at the emblem or windshield and think everything's clean, the sensors might still be upset. That's why many owners fix the problem simply by carefully cleaning the sensors, and the message disappears like magic. If you've cleaned everything and the warning is still there, the next suspect is the battery or vehicle voltage. Many owners report that this message appears right after a low, drained, or recently replaced battery. Toyota electronics are sensitive. If the voltage isn't stable, the PCS system gets nervous and triggers the warning. Turning off the car, waiting a few minutes, and turning it back on can help reset everything. Now, if neither cleaning nor restarting helps, there might be a misaligned or loose sensor. This often happens after a light bump while parking, hitting a curb, or some front-end modification. The sensor is still there, but it's no longer pointing correctly, so the system gets confused and says, I don't trust this reading. In these cases, many mechanics recommend a professional recalibration, which returns the sensors to their perfect angle without replacing anything expensive. If the message still appears after that, then we're entering more serious territory: internal faults in electronic modules or faulty wiring. Some mechanics have found that a loose connector, moisture in the wires, or a failing PCS module was the root cause. In these situations, using an advanced Toyota scanner is almost mandatory because it tells you exactly which component is causing the warning. One detail that few people know: this message can also appear due to environmental conditions. Many owners report that in heavy rain, fog, or extreme cold, the system gets picky and triggers the warning just to protect itself. After driving for a while or letting the sensors dry, the message sometimes goes away on its own.